So for Castor Maritime, there's some sign of life we can see today that we did a bit of jump and we have a bit of rejection as we predicted. So what we can expect for CTRM, because there's a bit of wave of buying pressure then selling pressure, so we need to make a good strategy for this kind of behavior for stock market, as we know that the market been trending down for now as long 3 months 2 months. So you have to change your strategy to fit this kind of scenario. This is almost important to always have flexibility when you have that strategy. That's why I always tell you guys the key level at for CTRM or any stock is always changing, so we have to change our update our key levels for each stock. So that's what we're gonna do today. And before we go in the video, plus the like button. And as always, Trading Jesus told you to be patient and hunt for exact price value. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Here guys, look with me, the price jumped from our level. I told you here the last video that we did, I told you guys we need to never go below the 38 hour this level, because this is important. Here at 14th of May at Friday we did this jump before the day before and we closed above, and I told you the weekend at the 0.38 we need to hold above by Monday. We don't want to go below in order to see a test for higher highs for Castor Maritime, and we might see a bit of rejection around the 41 or the 42 here. As we can look here, the candle, it closes opened precisely at the 42, opened at the 40 and it closes at the 42, and we have the big wick here. There's a massive rejection. That's why even the second candle opened below our resistance or exponential for an average. Look with me guys, this is important level to break. After we break this one and we hold the 38 and bounce from it, precisely we did as we predicted, and this is what we want to see. Now we have a closing candle above our line here, and we have a bit of rejection around this level at the 42. That's why we closed the candle. There's a bit of struggle to go over this line, our exponential average. The moment we have a closing candle here, there's a big chance that we're gonna test the 0.45 this time guys, and this is really important, because if we got rejected this time at the 0.45 and we never try to go even around the 0.51, this is at least the resistance level that we might test for CTRM before we see a massive rejection. Because when the market trending so long down and the resistance level, as we see here, has been dropping below. So before we have it at 60, then we have it at 58. If this time we have it at 51, this is a big sign of another downtrending for Castor Maritime, and we might even see our support at the 33, because we didn't go at the 33, we hold about the 35. So be careful from this. We might see a rejection near around the 0.45. If we don't and we hold, this is a bit of good sign, but we don't want to see us we might see a big rejection around the 0.50 or 0.50. Yeah, 0.50. This will be the technical area that we're gonna see a big rejection after the 0.45. Look with me here, this is it. Yeah, this is the price that we should look for in order to have at least a fighting chance to go and see the test the higher highs for Castor Maritime. And this is really important because this week I predict that the price will test at least if we hold above this line around the 0.41, we're gonna see test for 45, and here we're gonna see a rejection. Otherwise we see a candle closes above, and this will take us to test the 55. And by why from the what I see here from the descending line that we draw before, we going toward it, guys. You see, we still going toward it. So by the time we go to test this level, we gonna see that the test, the really strong test at around the 0.51. So this is a projection for the future for you guys, because this one we have to test around the 28th of May, and now we are the 17th of May. So here we gonna see the price might jump, but there's it will be a good scenario if we test this level around the end of May, and this is we have the big bounce, and here around this level we want to see a big bounce, and this is will have the real indication for Castor Maritime. For this time we have the explosion happening, and this time we have our support from our descending line, and this is a really good indication for changing momentum in the long term, because in the long term we see this channel that we form, and we still trading in this channel, and the only way to break from this channel is to go over this descending line, and I predict will be around the 0.51 this time. And if we clear and we have a closing candle above here, guys, this is will be a bounce and warning sign for you guys, because Castor Maritime gonna blow up if we have this scenario, and perfect scenario that we everybody waiting for all the investor for Castor Maritime, because we've been downtrending like crazy, and almost every time we go up, a lot of people got caught up in this area. So my suggestion, guys, always wait for confirmation. So as I told you, here there's a rejection, here we're gonna see a rejection around the 0.51, so be careful. And again, we need to hold this level in order to have the momentum to take us up. If not, we're gonna see a test again 0.38, then we go to 0.33. Simple as that, guys. We need to hold above. Even if we go around this area, we need to hold above, guys. This is really important. There is no joke about it. This is why in trading, if you have a strategy and as simple as that, in time of chaos, it's time downtrending even for months, you always turn out profitable, and you never be losing, and even if you lost some trade, you can cut it really early and go on another trade that will be profitable for you. So this is the adjustment I'm talking about, guys. Never be fixated on one trade, because there's a lot of opportunity in the stock market, and never forget this, because the minute that you forget this and you just jump on the like the exploding rocket, this is not good, because you never could time the market. Nobody could time the market, but we could time at least the moment when we have the precise price value, and this is where the price is oversold, and this is where we can jump before the price even did it moves. So guys, if you like the video, blast the like button, and as always tell you, be patient and hunt for exact price value with me, Trading Jesus. So see you guys in the next video.